Welcome. Today we're going to learn about Object.keys in JavaScript. Object.keys is a fundamental method in JavaScript that returns an array of a given object's own enumerable property names. Introduced in ES5, it's crucial for working with objects when you need to perform operations on their keys. This method is particularly useful in scenarios where you need to iterate over an object's properties or transform object data into a more manageable format. Let me explain how this works under the hood. When you call Object.keys on an object, JavaScript performs the following steps. 1. It retrieves all enumerable properties of the object. 2. It excludes properties from the prototype chain. 3. It returns an array of strings representing the property names in the order they were defined. The order is not guaranteed for numeric keys, but is generally insertion order for non-numeric keys. Let's look at basic example, get keys. Here's the complete code. We declare a constant variable called person. We declare a constant variable called keys. We log the result to see the output. And the result will be, name, age, city. Extracts all enumerable property names from the object into an array. Let's look at iterate over keys. Here's the complete code. We declare a constant variable called car. We get all the property names from the object as an array. We log the result to see the output. Combines Object.keys with for each to iterate over both keys and values. Let's look at transform keys to values. Here's the complete code. We declare a constant variable called student. We define a function called grades. We log the result to see the output. And the result will be 90, 85, 78. Uses Object.keys to get an array of keys, then maps them to their corresponding values. Now let's talk about when you should use this. Iterating over an object's properties. Transforming object data into an array format. Dynamic property access in loops. Checking if a property exists in an object. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Assuming the order of keys is always guaranteed, especially for numeric keys. Forgetting that it only returns enumerable properties, non-enumerable properties are excluded. Using it on null or undefined, throws type error. And here are some pro tips. Use Object.keys with array methods like filter or map for powerful data transformations. Combine with Object.values or Object.entries for more complex operations. Use destructuring to extract specific keys when you only need a subset of properties. Unlike for, in, Object.keys does not include properties from the prototype chain. Unlike Object.values, it returns keys instead of values. Unlike Object.entries, it returns just the keys as an array rather than key-value pairs. That's everything you need to know about Object.keys. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials.